Hello everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we got a good one. We got a 2022 Chevy Traverse LS all-wheel drive. This third row SUV is in navy and has plenty of features. So let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at all of the things it has to offer. Come on, let's get started. Hey guys, now that we're inside of this Chevy, we can go ahead and see the mileage. Has 42,796 miles. Go ahead and see everything up on the dash, but we can get into that in a little bit. Let's go ahead and check out over here, which is your touchscreen display. Right here is your home menu. You got your music and your phone connection, presets up top. Go ahead and scroll over here. You have your apps. You got audio, which is AM and FM radio, Sirius XM, phone, connecting a Bluetooth device. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Go ahead and access that. As well as, of course, you got Wi-Fi settings, OnStar services, and climate. Go ahead and access your settings. You got system, apps, and vehicle. Within the systems, you would have things like your language, date and time. Apps would be like with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Vehicle would be your climate, collision, safety things that you'd want to go ahead and learn more about, teen driver, and valet mode. Go ahead and access all of those things, as well as, of course, you have your climate. Your climate is right here, as well as down below here. Go ahead and access that. You can go ahead and have your dual temperature from your driver to the passenger. You got your manual controls down below here. Airflow, AC, everything like that. You also have your rear temperature that you can go ahead and customize and learn more about. Go ahead and lock it up for kids in the back that you don't want them touching it. But we can go ahead and check out the rear temperature in a little bit. But let's go ahead and check out one last thing, which is your backup camera. Putting this thing in reverse, you have a nice clear backup camera. Go ahead and turn on and off the lens with backing up. Go ahead and put it back into park, and that's pretty much all for up on the screen. Got your hazard lights over here, as well as, of course, your climate controls down below, like I mentioned. Checking out down below here, you have your charging ports, so you can go ahead and charge up your devices, as well as, of course, you got your cup holders, gear shift, drive modes, and parking brake. Next to your drive modes, you have your lane keep and auto on and off for that idle. You have your key. Your key for your engine start stop button, of course, as well as for keyless entry. Lock and unlock, alert system, nice Chevy key fob. Go ahead and set that back down, and we go ahead and check out your center console. Your center console is two-tiered, so you have an upper level, going ahead and having some storage, as well as plenty of storage underneath. Go ahead and put that back, and we go ahead and shut the center console. Let's go ahead and check out your steering wheel. Behind the wheel on this side, you have your audio volume. On this side, behind the wheel, you have your station, so you can go ahead and switch that around. You got your instrumental panel, which has your trip, vehicle, and eco. Eco would be going ahead and seeing your average. Vehicle are things within maintenance, like your oil life, air filter life, tire pressure. Go ahead and see those things for when you're driving. Make sure you and others stay safe. Plenty of other things that you can go ahead and find out more information about. Next to that, you have your hands-free calling and voice commands with going ahead and connecting a phone. Over here, you have your cruise control settings and pre-collision alerts. So you can go ahead and adjust those to your liking, that gap, as well as you have the alerts that pop up there on the dash. Your interior and exterior lighting settings, so you can go ahead and customize that to your liking. They also pop up on the screen to help you navigate that. On your door panel, you of course have your window controls, door locks, mirror controls, so you can go ahead and adjust that to your liking, as well as, of course, you have your lock and unlock. Let's go ahead and hop outside of this Traverse and take a look at more of the features. The interior of this Traverse is a tan interior, and then you have black accents around. Go ahead and adjust the seating right here, as well as, of course, you have plenty of space to go ahead and move it forward and backwards. That is the gist for up front. Your door panel has plenty of pockets and things like that. Let's go ahead and check out the back seats though. Here in the back seats, you have plenty of leg room. This is a very comfy third row SUV, as well as you got your climate controls right here. Does look like it's off right now, but you can go ahead and hit auto and it turns right on. You can go ahead and adjust it to your liking. You got air vents up top to go ahead and stay nice and cool or warm, as well as you have some charging ports right underneath there. Some storage to go ahead and put your phone while it's charging. Pockets in the driver and passenger seat, as well as you got some little cubbies in the door panel, and you can go ahead and fold down the second row seat to go ahead and have access to the third row. The third row back here has got cup holders, some storage, as well as some charging ports. On either side you have charging ports and cup holders, plenty of space and room, as well as you can go ahead and sit 3 people back here, as well as 3 people in this row as well. But let's go ahead and check out the trunk space and fold down the third row to show all the storage that you can have. Going ahead and taking a walk back here, you can go ahead and open up the trunk here. You have easy access to go ahead and open that up, and plenty of space back here. Let's go ahead and check it out. First up, you got a charging port on the right hand side, and then let's go ahead and fold down the third row seats for your storage. Nice easy pull and push to go ahead and put down that third row seats. Going ahead and checking out underneath this divider, you have plenty of storage and extra room, as well as of course that spare tire underneath. Overall a great space, and then you can go ahead and easily put up the third row seats for more people. Easy to go ahead and lock into place, as well as the headrest. Third row seat, third seat belt up top. But that is pretty much everything that I have for this Traverse. Nice easy handle to go ahead and grab onto and close the back of this Traverse. That is everything that I have today though. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. I want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.